Hey, what is up? Good morning, Slime Pack Nation. Listen, I do a lot of videos on the exhaust of my car. If you do not know, I got a 2021 widebody scat pack charger, and it is a straight pipe. The cats are still there, but they're just gutted. No mids, no resonators, and I do not have a check engine light. Never had any problems, and it's been a lot of people asking me, how do you get away with it, or how do you even gut your cats? And in this video, I will be showing you, it's not going to be me doing it, but the person who did it, he will be showing you how to gut your cats. And the two things that you need is real quick, simple. I say quick, but you know, it's cheaper and quicker than doing the long tube headers and the mid pipes. But you're about to see it in this next clip. But before this video goes any further, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. Like this video and leave a comment, and I'm about to give y'all a cold start right now.
All we did today was we took off the mid pipes, gutted out the cats for that deeper growl, I guess you can say, without worrying about engine codes. With the Fowlers you get from AutoZone, O'Reilly's, you get 2 each, so 4 total, just 2 packages. You want to drill out the very top one that the O2 sensor goes in, because then it won't fit if you don't drill it out. It's going to be a 3/8 drill bit is the one you want. Straightforward. You just unbolt the 4 bolts that's holding the headers to the mid pipes, and then the 2 bolts in the rear from the exhaust. Take it down, gut it out, make sure you blow it out or suck it up, whatever, the material, so it's clean, so there's no residue going back to the engine bay or the engine block itself. Other than that, it's a straightforward thing. Bolt it back together, and that's it. I mean, you save a lot more money instead of buying $450 mid pipes when you can just do this. And
this is only cost like $6.
Yeah, $6. And if you do it yourself, you can do it inside the garage like I just did on jack stands. Easier with a lift, but it's doable. It took me about 2 hours to do because the exhaust, depending on how old the car is too, just all the rust and stuff like that, you're gonna have to use WD-40 to take it off.
So they got to let the car cool off.
Yes, let the car cool off. If you just got done driving it, the mid pipes with the cats in there get very, very hot. So you have to let that cool off for about, I'll say 15-20 minutes. You can start undoing the bolts to save some time. Start drilling out the Fowlers, and that'll be it right there. And then you can start knocking it out the way. It sounds a lot better. It has more airflow going through, so it's better for the engine. There's no tune required. That's why you use the Fowlers. But if you do plan on doing like long tube headers, then don't do this, because then you're gonna get mid pipes either way. That when you order long tube headers, this is just something that you want for that better exhaust note.
Something quick.
Something quick.
Cheap.
And you'll get noticed wherever you go. Believe me, you'll get noticed. That's the first one that you break through. After that, you got cotton between the walls. You got a third wall, a second wall right after. That's the first layer of wall that you go through. You got a second one that you have to go through. That's the cotton that's in between it.
Oh, they stuffed that.
I'm gonna blow it out so there's no cotton
Okay.
or like debris.
Okay.
So you get 2 of these. They come in a pack. There's a pair. One of them, the top one, you're gonna want to drill because that's where the O2 sensor is gonna go through. But if you kept it this way, it's gonna get stuck at that wall. So that's why you have to drill so the O2 sensor can have enough room to go all the way in and seat it. And this will be at the top or the bottom piece that goes into the pipe itself. And there you won't get any check engine lights or codes, I guess you can say, without a tune. So you have to have no worries about that.
Right.
So the reason, like I said, you want to drill, because see how this little piece right here, if you didn't drill, you'd run into this problem. It wouldn't seat all the way in. So you're stuck. So that's why you want to drill the top one that's going to go to this one. Now it seeps all the way in smoothly too. Just enough where it can still reach, get the airflow detection. Should I grab one of the pieces? Should probably grab one of the pieces. That's different. Just like the bolts. I'll show you what's different about it. This piece right here. So that's new for 2021 wide bodies. Probably even just regular scat packs.
What they call that?
This is just a nut, but with a bracket that holds the header and the mid pipes together. And it's Mopar went away with the extended ones that stayed onto the headers and just went with a straight through bolt, just to clamp in just like that.
Right. Think that's better?
It's a lot better. It's a lot easier. It's a lot easier to take off your mid pipes if you're trying to. They also did differently. The flange is different. So now it has an opening right here, which the old style didn't. The flange is new. They angled it differently. And like I said, this piece would go right here, but connect it with your headers too.
Right.
And this bolt will just go right through, and it'll just lock into place, holding the header and the mid pipes together. So it's a lot easier, like I said. So you can put the bottom one in first, already threaded in, and you can just slide this right on top to hold it in place.
And them is the cats, y'all. You said they bigger?
The cats, yeah, the Cadillac converters are also a lot bigger. So I don't know if it's due to the EPA or it's just they want it quieter.
Right.
So these are a lot bigger than the older style. The older style is probably like right up to here. Like it's probably like that big. Now this is just like a huge one.
Right.